London's getting spooky, and a little spendy. Over half of Londoners are planning to splash out around £36 each to make their Halloween frightfully fun. But what's really haunting the city's Halloween trends this year? Costume sales are up 22%, and themed drinks and decor are flying off the shelves faster than you can say, boo. From vampires to witches, Londoners are embracing bold looks and immersive seasonal experiences that turn every street into a Halloween spectacle. Over 40% of Londoners now prefer gifting experiences rather than things. Haunted escape rooms, pumpkin spice dinners, and spooky city tours are the go-to gifts. And with digital e-vouchers, surprises are just a click away, no broomstick delivery required. Londoners love a bargain, and Halloween is no exception. 68% of consumers say that themed deals or limited time offers increase their chances of making a purchase. Businesses are offering spooky savings and haunted deals to get more clicks, engagement, and loyal customers. London businesses, don't stay in the shadows this Halloween. Share your spooky promotions or festive campaigns with our growing community, or get listed to light up the city map and draw in Londoners hunting for experiences like yours. If Halloween isn't the perfect time to connect with Londoners, when is? At London Business News, we share where locals find inspiration, seasonal tips, and the best ideas to celebrate. Join our community today, subscribe, follow, and stay updated on everything bringing London to life this Halloween.